Login flow. Enter the mail and click on Verify button. Enter the 6-digit passkey received on the mail and click on Verify Passkey button. Manage account. Click on the profile, select Manage account. Update first name, last name or profile picture if required. Meeting rooms. Click on the Meeting Rooms tab. All the created meeting room will be displayed. Click on the Add New button to create a new meeting room. Add meeting room images size height 192 width 420 by clicking on Select Files, enter room title, enter room capacity No of seats, select room facilities from dropdown, enter description, and click on Add button. A new meeting room will be successfully created. Click on Edit button to edit a meeting room. Click on Delete button to delete a meeting room.